So let's check out this house. It's called the Morningtide from Lennar. And I hope it's in the viewer. I can't really see the view with my sunglasses on. It kind of eliminates the viewer. This is the Morningtide. It's 1,683 square feet, and we are at Angeline. And Angeline is a community which has a little farm over by the entryway. Check out my driving video of that. And it's also going to have a lagoon as well, so it's one of those lagoon communities. So let's check out this house, and this house has a tile roof, as you can see. The Morningtide from Lennar. 2 beds, 2 baths. Let's see what it looks like. Boy, is it hot outside. Oof. Ooh, okay, so trying to cool off. When you first walk in, a lot of space. So there's a lot of space. And then this bedroom, very decent sized bedroom too. Not small by any means. Closet, I guess. Yep, towel closet. And then over here, you got your living room, your dining room, and your kitchen. And it looks like a sitting room or something over there. So I wasn't quite expecting that. Well, let's see what we have here first. I guess it's the garage, maybe? Yes, the garage. So it's nice to see extra space next to the garage door on both sides. And there's your hot water heater. HVAC closet. Let's see, what do we have here in the pantry? Okay, that's a good size, standard size pantry. Yeah, so this is kind of interesting, this room right here. Of course, usually, in this section, what you have is your living room, your dining room, and then, this would be another room or whatever it might be. So I guess this is the master bedroom. Master bathroom. Probably toilet in the closet. Oh, it's got a window. That's great. That's excellent. And then, let's see, what do we see? What do we see? Closet. And another closet over here. So this is a pretty decent sized master bedroom closet as well, especially for a house that's this size. I mean, this house was what? It was just under 1,700 square feet. So you have a nice bedroom here, a nice large master bedroom. And I want to look at the covered patio, but this room I like. I like this. It's different. Oh, this is a big covered patio. Yeah, it's a big covered patio too. You can see they have a table outside, so you could hook up a grill or whatever you want. Put some seats out there as well. Good size. Okay, so again, the kitchen, living room, and dining room. So I kind of want to give some thoughts on this house. It does not feel like just under 1,700 square feet at all. I would think that this is at least 2,000 square feet. It just feels so much larger. And maybe it's because of that strange room over there. But everything about it, like there's just so much space everywhere you walk. So, yeah, I mean, a large bedroom. Great house, great house. I think if you want a house that's not exactly a huge house, this might be the right house for you. Or if you want a smaller house that doesn't feel small, this is definitely it. And of course, a nice front porch as well. Oh, I like these flowers, whatever they are. Very nice.